Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to the Kurldom. My name is Janelle and I am the founder and KEO of KULTURED LLC, and today I am back with another video. In today's video, I will be doing another what I like to eat in a day, which also counts as what I like to eat in a week, but plant-based. A couple of weeks back, I actually decided that I wanted to stop eating meat and stop eating dairy and stop eating gluten. The plant-based options work. Gluten-free not so much, because I just love pasta and bread too much, and even though they have gluten-free options, I just like the original gluten tastes better. So I managed to stick to the plant-based, however, and so I want to show you guys exactly what I ate throughout last week. I also have to mention that I am not a nutritionist, so if you guys are looking to lose weight or you're looking to gain weight, I am not the person for that. So make sure that you consult a nutritionist or a doctor. So without further ado, you guys know that I don't want to keep you too long. I also want to mention that I will not be interrupting you guys throughout this video. Just enjoy the music and the food, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, so we are at the end of this video. Thank you so much if you made it to the very end. Before I end this video, it has been a struggle. Most of the plant-based meals that I've found are from Pinterest, and Pinterest is a great place to find anything, but I still want to buy a vegan cookbook because I feel like it'll be a lot easier for me to find meals and recipes from there, because Pinterest shows you a lot of aesthetically pleasing type of meals, but I want to go more in depth so I can stick with this a lot longer. It's very easy for some people to just come up with plant-based meals right off the top of their head, but because I'm new to this, it is very difficult for me to get all the vitamins and the nutrients into this whole plant-based lifestyle, and so definitely want to start doing that. But if you guys have any ideas, then make sure you leave a comment down below. This is also the time where I ask you to do something else for me. I need you to hit that like button and subscribe, and also make sure you click the bell so you get notified every single time that I post on this channel. And I'll be seeing you guys real soon. Thank you. Bye, y'all.